Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today I'm going to try something I haven't tried before, and that is give a little restoration to a 245 Lockwood vintage padlock. Now this one I got, it's covered in paint, yucky brown paint. So I was sitting on the lounge and I was scratching at it with my fingernails, and I got some paint off the shackle, and I thought, this is coming off pretty easy, so I just kept going with my fingernails. And I got it to this stage where I can see the Lockwood logo. So I thought, I wonder if I could apply some carpentry techniques to this to try and get this paint off, and if it would work. So I'm going to try and hit it with a heat gun. I'm going to try and scrape it off. I'm going to use paddle pop stick as my improvised fingernail and heat gun. So when this heat gun's on, feel free to turn the volume off. I won't chat while it's on, and I'll need to put some gloves on. So I have moved the lock studio into the laundry. Usually shoot it in the kitchen about 5 AM to block out all sorts of noises, but today it's during the day, so you will get sounds like the train, the neighbours, because I needed the airflow. Don't know what sort of fumes I'll be getting from this one, so we're going to try. Now it's going to get pretty hot, so we see how it goes. I'll start off with a low heat setting, and then I'll go to a high if I'm getting nowhere. But once I get the paint off, I'm gonna hit it with some 40 grade steel wool, and hopefully that won't scratch it or anything like that. Truth, I'm melting the black back wall. Right, let's see if that's done anything. Ugh, it's a bit warm. That's working. Because this padlock's been covered in paint all its life, I figured it'd be like brand new underneath.